CapCut Desktop Export Quality. How to export 4K 60 FPS without quality loss. If you want to export your CapCut video that you've edited in 4K 60 FPS, it is very simple to do so. Once you're done editing your footages right over here, and let's say now you want to go to the exporting or the rendering tab. For that, what you have to do is click on the export icon located from the very top right hand side, and you'll find the export settings right here. Right under video, which is this resolution tab, 1080p is selected by default. I will select that, and you can choose 4K or even 8K. So let's select 4K right there. You can choose a bitrate along with codec format, and the frame rate you can set this to 60 FPS. Now once you have that, you can just hit the export button from the very bottom of the screen. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then export the video in CapCut in 4K 60 FPS without any quality loss. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.